Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a duet video with other users in TikTok like this. Before we begin, don't forget to enter my giveaway where I'm giving away £10 Amazon gift card vouchers to a random subscriber every week. You just need to subscribe and comment on my last video for this week. The link should appear at the top right. Winner will be announced on Sunday 14th March 2021. To begin with, let's open up the TikTok app. Now navigate to a video which you want to duet with. Now tap on the share icon at the bottom right. Here it all depends on the creator. If the creator allows you to duet with them, the option will be lit up. If it has been disabled, then it will be grayed out. By default, whoever posts a video, duet is always switched off. In the menu that appears at the bottom, select duet. Now this will launch the TikTok camera with all the usual tools and options. The video which you have selected to duet with will appear on the right hand side, while your camera view will appear on the left hand side. Using the layout option, which is located at the right side of the screen, you can change the arrangement of the video you are duetting with and your camera view. You have a selection of 4 different layouts to choose from: left and right, react, top and bottom, and 3 screens. Within those choices, you have the option to switch the video position as well. When you're ready to record your duet, hold down the record button as normal. As the recording starts, the video which you are duetting with will start to play on the right hand side, while on the left it'll capture your video. You can duet for the entire time of the video or only part of it. Once you're finished recording, you can press the stop button or the tick on the right hand side. It'll now take you into the editing part of TikTok. Here you can add your music, stickers and text. You can also add your voiceover if required. After you're done, tap on next. You'll now come to the post menu where you can add your caption and hashtags to your video. Your caption will be pre-filled with hashtag duet and the username who posted the original video. You can add extra hashtags and comments in the caption. Once you're ready, tap on post to post it to TikTok. This is a great way of collaborating with other TikTokers and gaining more exposure to your videos. And there you go, that is how to create a duet video in TikTok. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.